Hi readers, we are ready to move on to job number 4 in our lesson today. That is reading our words. Just like before, I'm going to show you a word on the screen, and your job is to try to read this word nice and smooth out loud. If you're having a hard time, you can always tap each sound and pause the video so you have more time. Here we go. Try reading this word. Good. That word is am. Here's the next one. Try reading it. That word is Pam. If you know am, you know Pam. Just put that p sound in front when you see the letter P. Nice job. Here's the next one. Nice reading. This word is Sam. If you know Pam, you know Sam. Nice job. This word is cat. This word is cats. Notice how before I had the word cat all by itself. When I added suffix s to the end, the word becomes cats. In this word, the base word is cat, and it changes to cats when we add suffix s, that yellow s inside the circle. This word is nap. When we add suffix s to the end, what does the word become? That's right. The new word is naps. The base word is nap. When we add suffix s, the word becomes naps. Can. Pan. If you know can, let's put a P in front instead and change it to say pan. Nice job. Let's practice a few more. This word is on. Map. Cap. If you know map, you can know cap. This word is in. Yes. Pack. And in this word, I'm noticing I hear k at the end. Pack. And I know when I hear that sound at the end of a word, it's always going to be digraph CK after that vowel sound, that short vowel sound ah. Nice job, readers. We have our green check mark. We've earned it for our word list. Our next job will be spelling. See you soon.